Welcome to Family Court Fridays with your host, April Gabriellé.
Welcome to Family Court Friday with me, your host, author April Gabriellé of the Myth of the Broken Home series and the Single Parent Counselor. Today's case comes from San Antonio, Texas, Bexar County Courthouse. You know, I've always been interested for years in attending court in Texas to listen to divorce cases, because I remember years ago I was told that Texas allowed the fathers, the husbands, to treat their wives as chattel, like property. But now I'm kind of past that. So now I'm interested in many more cases, of course, right? Separation, divorce, custody issues, visitation, child support, spousal support, anything that has to do with the family, and that can help you to better assess whether you want to file a divorce or whether you want to deal with family court, and if so, how you'll go about assessing their resources and whether or not you need an attorney to accommodate you in family court. So we went to family court on December 30th, and of course it was just a little bit scarce, right, because that was right before the holidays. My daughter came with me, and bless her heart, because she's at the age where she really could care less about going and sitting in family courtrooms. So I really appreciate her. So we get to the courthouse, of course, as to be expected with Texas, Southern hospitality. Everyone was very friendly. It's like you really don't meet a stranger in Texas. Everyone is very friendly and they talk to you regardless. So I had checked the docket the night before and seen the cases that I was interested in were in room 109. So when I went into room 109, it's a huge, beautiful courtroom, and I'm like, wow, this is really nice. Our courtrooms are so much smaller than this. We came in and had a seat, and at the time, the judge was speaking, I don't want to say privately, but she was speaking with litigants and some attorneys at the bench. And so I kind of said, okay. So then it happened 2 or 3 more times, and they needed translators, and I was just a little bit confused. So I said, none of these cases are being shared over the mic. We can't hear it. We can't hear the cases. And so I sat a little bit longer and wondered how much further I would have to go to listen to this. So I went ahead and I motioned for the bailiff, and he met me outside, told him about the vlog, Family Court Friday, and the resources that I bring to you. And he thought it was a pretty neat idea. We talked, and he actually said it was his last day after 30 years of service. So good luck to him and his career as well. But he explained to me that all the cases in San Antonio, Bexar County Courthouse, start in room 109. And from there, the cases are diverted out to the different courtrooms to the different judges. And so if there was a particular case that I was interested in, then it would behoove me to follow those cases, those litigants, to those courtrooms throughout the courthouse. So we sat for a little bit, and I was able to hear the first couple of cases called. And this courtroom was with Judge Stephanie Walsh. And the first couple of cases called, you know, I don't give the actual names of the defendants, of the litigants. So the names you'll see on the details on the blog are not the actual names of the litigants, but they were protective order cases. So the first one was a Hernandez, and the case was 2 other people coming, bringing protective orders against her. So these are 3 females. And then came a couple of legal dissolution cases, divorces. And the one that interested me most was the one with, his name is Marcus. And you'll see Marcus's video. I had a quick opportunity to quickly interview him about his situation, because when he was up front with the judge, I remember the judge asking him several questions. And the questions alluded to his estranged wife. And Marcus had cute little girls. And so I could hear the judge asking him when's the last time he's seen her, what steps he took to have her served. That concluded, and Marcus left the courtroom. At that time, we decided to leave as well. There wasn't a lot going on. I said I would return after the new year. So we left, and my daughter was ready to go. You know, again, she's at that age, right? And she's like, I want to go. I said, come on. You know, I said, I think I need to talk to him. I really want to find him and talk to him. No, I really want to go. Oh, okay. So she goes to the car, and we sit there for a few minutes, and something said, I said to myself, April, you need to go talk to Marcus. You have to find him.
Thank you for watching Family Court Fridays with April Gabriellé. To read full case commentary, visit FamilyCourtFriday.com.